Welcome once again to this lesson. We are still on significant figures. Please, I would like you to go over the rules consistently. Make sure you understand them, how you apply them. Before you come to this video, make sure you understand the rules so that we will work the examples together. Alright, so let's take our first example. We are converting 3.035 to three significant figures. So 3.035. We are converting it to, or we are correcting to three significant figures. Now, based on the rules, let's look at the significant figures that we can see in the question. Let's look at the individual numbers which are significant. So let's consider that before we move on to the main thing. Alright, so we said that all non-zero digits are significant. So since 3 is non-zero, let me use different color so that you see it clearly. So 3 is significant, this 3 is also significant, and this one is also significant because they are non-zero. They are non-zero. Alright, let's look at this 0 too. Now we can see that this 0 is between this 0 is between this 3 and this 3. So it is making, don't look at the point for now. Let's look at the numbers. So once the 0 is between this 3 and this 3, the 0 is also becoming a significant figure. Alright, so let's solve the whole thing. So 3.035 to three significant figures. Since we've seen that this question is having 4 significant figures, 4 significant figures in it, and the question is also telling us that we should correct it. We should correct what we have to 3 significant figures. So we have to start from our right side. We should start from here to our left. Sorry, we should start from our left to our right. What is the first significant figure? Which number is the first significant figure from your left to your right? So we have 3. So this is the first significant figure. What is the next significant figure? We have this 0 to be the next one. What is the next significant figure? We have this one. So now we are having 3 significant figures in order. But look at the number that is after the 3. Can you see that number? Let's look at that number, which is 5. I remember when we were learning decimals, I told you if the number at the back of the point, or the number which is at the back of the number which we are working with is 5 or more, we take 1 from it. Do you remember that? Good. So if it is 5 or more, we will take 1 from it. But if it is 4 and below, we just ignore it. We just ignore. So if this one was to be 4 or less, we will ignore it. But since it is 5, you will take 1 from it and add it to the 3. We will take 1 from it and we will add it to the 3. So our final answer will be 3.04. Because we took 1 from the 5 and added to the 3 will now be 4. So now we are having 3S, 3SF. Please, I hope it's clear. Alright, so that is to 3 significant figures. That is to 3 significant figures. Alright, let's move on to the next one. So we are also having 0.0035. We are to convert it 358. We are to convert it to 3 significant figures. So before you do that, make sure you identify the significant figures that are present. Make sure you identify the significant figures that are present. So what do we do now? How can we identify the significant figures? You have to go to the rules. Alright, stay tuned for our solution.